So, again, 96% of traders are losers. Most people would do much better to just be an investor, hold over the long term, and get the appreciation as markets continue to trend up and to the right with inflation over, the last 40, 50 years. That's been a really good play. Now, things are going to change here, I think, in 2026 when we do have, some of these currencies are going to get backed by physical assets. You saw Trump announce today $12 trillion worth of mineral rights that they are aggregating for the U.S. to be able to compete with China and other large nations globally. That's a big, big deal. We need these raw resources and these commodities to be able to back our currency and compete on a level playing field without the dollar supremacy being, I don't even know if you want to call it a dictatorship or a monarchy or what you want to call it. But we have been in, the driver's seat for the past 50 plus years after Nixon took us off the gold standard, and really even longer than that since Bretton Woods in 1944. But again, all of that's changing this year. They are going to have the ball drop here in New York on July 4th for the 250th anniversary of the United States on July 4th. 2026. They're going to use the same 2026 that had the 589 bulbs in it on that day, which will be pretty cool. And again, a lot of things centered here in New York. I do think that Texas, Dallas, where I'm based, is going to become a hub for finance with the Texas Stock Exchange and many other things moving there. But, that is going to take time.